reception area where you come in when you arrive and check in. There's 2 lanes for the arrivals, and the outer lane if you're already checked in and you're just coming back onto site. You can follow that one round all the way to the entrance barrier. And just at the side of reception there is a drying room here too, so you can go on your wet things to dry. Shall we have a quick look in there? Oh, it reminds me of the school gyms where you used to get changed for gymnastics. This little picnic bench. So this is the little herb garden, and I think they've got the buckets in a bit of a anagram form at the minute. So I think it's supposed to read along saying herbs. Some nice flowers there, I think the begonias, very pretty. Just getting past the best now. It is September, so they do tend to start to wilt a little bit. And then we've got the bird garden. I've seen quite a few pretty birds on here. And some more bird feeds on this side as well. So as you come through the barrier, you come down this way, go looking for your pitch. And just at the back over there under the trees is the no mow area for the insects to live in. It's a small area just off to your left as you come round here. And at the end of there is the gate that you go out of onto the road that you can walk into Barnard Castle Town. So this is the gate area that you can go out of. If you go out of the gate and just walk down to behind the trees here, there is a walkway through the nature reserve, I think they call it. So just at the end of the middle row, which is where the facilities block is, there is the service points here, the usuals, where the wastewater and drinking water, chemical disposal, etc. And just down these steps, the children's playground. Let's try and get down these steps with Abby without her pulling me over, and we'll go have a quick look. They're just a small playground, but enough to keep the young ones occupied. So the facilities block is quite central on the site. You've got your motorhome service point in front of it. It is worth noting that this facilities block does not have a chemical disposal point at it, but there is the usual washing up areas and laundry, toilets. Gents is just to this end. The laundry's just here, and if we just open the door, it shows the prices of washing etc. at the back of the machines, and just at the other side is some sinks, and the ladies is just on the opposite ends to the gents. And just opposite the facilities block is some stairs which goes down to the lower level, and then just opposite the stairs is another service point, the stairs being just behind me here. There is a couple of dog walking areas on site. There's one just here, and then there's another one on the new section at the top. So just looking around the site, it is a weekend, so it is reasonably full as well. So we're just entering what is the new section of this site, I'm not quite sure exactly when this side opened, but it's definitely no more than 2 years old. And just as we're coming on the left hand side is the other dog walk area. So the bottom row is all standard pitches, and quite central there, as well as the service point for this area. Then as you go up to the top row, around 10 of the pitches are service pitches on this row. There's also a couple of pathways that run between the top level and the middle level, just through gates. Then that area there is the top level, and then this one is the middle level. And just as you come out of this gate, there's the final service point. So a little bit more of the top area. And so this is the exit, and just to the side is the barrier card box where you can drop your cards as you leave site for the final time. And this here is the other pathway that runs between the top level and the middle level. And we're just pitched there. This week we're on our first ever service pitch, and we're on pitch 26. And you can see our pitch is right next to the facilities block. Been quite useful, really. She's waiting. Here's Abbey, waiting for a tea with Dada. Yeah, Abbey, Abbey, Abbey.
Abbey, come on, Ma.
No, she's not going to look. Abbey. Hi. You good girl? You good girl? Yeah.
So what you cooking is, love?
Well, as we went to the farm shop, I got some garlic butter pork steaks, which are nearly cooked. You've got some black pudding and pork sausages. I've got pork and tomato sausages. And then we've got some £1/4 burgers that were picked
Hang on a minute, what are you drinking there?
Look at me £1/4 burgers that were picked up in Clark in Barnard Castle County.
Yeah.
What am I drinking?
Yeah.
Beastie.
Oh, where does that come from?
Well, this is what I started drinking when we were at, where was we? Tucker's Grave Inn
Yeah.
at Ermanfest. And I sort of got addicted to it, so I found it in Morrison's. It's really nice.
Alcoholic. Yeah.
One bottle more and a sold.
One bottle.
6.8%.
So that looks nice.
Yeah, this is cooking real nice.
And we've got a dry day as well, haven't we?
Yeah, we had rain this morning, didn't we? But now it's dry. My hair's all over because it got wet this morning, and it's like, oh. But anyway, we don't worry about things like that, do we? We're enjoying it. We said we were going to come. We knew the weather wasn't going to be good. And we said we were going to come and enjoy ourselves no matter what the weather does. So whatever it throws at us, we'll do whatever we need to do.
We'll take it, won't we?
We'll take it, yeah.
Yeah.
Better than too hot.
Yeah. And the teppanyaki is very good.
Oh, I love the teppanyaki. And you don't use your gas up.
No?
So, but I am going to use the caddock later on in week if we get another dry day, because I'm going to do a curry.
We use their electricity, but don't say anything.
I think a few people do it, to be fair.
Yeah.
Save your gas and use the electric, absolutely.
Yeah.
So yeah, I'm happy. We're on holiday. It's Sunday. We've still got a week to go. So anyway, I'm going to continue cooking my tea now, if that's all right.
I think that's all right, isn't it?
Oh, Abby's come to see what's going on as well. Abby wants some burger.
Or does she want one of your ciders?
No, she's not having my cider.